Hello, Kevin Giesbrecht, head teaching professional here at the Glencoe Golf Club. Today, I want to quickly talk to you about an exciting piece of technology we use here at the Glencoe in our private lessons, and that's the Swing Catalyst Ground Force Reaction System. What the Swing Catalyst does is it measures everything you have to do with the ground in your golf swing. Some of the key metrics we measure with this system is your horizontal force. So that's the motion you're putting back and forth into the ground, the way you torque the ground, and the way you move in and out of the ground, which is your vertical force. When these forces are all lined up, which is called the kinematic sequence, then you're able to produce efficient energy when you swing the golf club. We use the data from this plate to make sure your golf swing is moving in an appropriate manner. And when it does move in an appropriate manner, we're able to improve your quality of strike, improve injuries, and also make you hit the golf ball further. Okay, let's do a little deeper dive into the Swing Catalyst software and how we use it to help our students. So what you're going to see in the top right-hand corner here is the actual picture of the Swing Catalyst plate with the student standing on it. What you're going to see on either side is the percentage of weight that's in either foot of the student at any given time. So what I'm going to do here is start to roll this golf swing, and what you're going to see is how this pressure moves in relation to the feet at any point in the golf swing. This is very important because when this is done in the right manner, and at the right time, we can really improve the quality of strike for our students. Now on the right here, what you're going to see is a series of graphs. Essentially what these graphs are telling us is how much pressure the student is putting in and out of the ground at, again, any given time in their swing. This first graph, the purple graph, is the horizontal graph. So that's the pressure the student is pushing from right to left in their golf swing. The next graph is the torque value graph. What this graph tells us is how much pressure the student is moving from toe to heel on their swing, or how much they're torquing the ground. This third graph is the vertical graph. So just think of that graph as how much jumping you are doing in your golf swing, or how much pressure you're putting in and out of the ground. All these graphs are very important to us because when your pressure moves in the right manner and the right forces, we're really able to kick up club head speed and improve your efficiency of strike. So we use all three of these graphs in every lesson to ensure that you are moving appropriately in your golf swing. Another cool piece of technology that we use within the software is the MoCap 3D motion capture. What this does is it puts dots on key points of our body, and we're actually able to see how those key points are moving throughout the golf swing. So I'll give you a little bit of a picture here of what we can do. So if I go ahead and I want to see how much my lead shoulder is moving in the golf swing, I'm able to actually click on that dot, and it's going to draw a line showing how much my shoulder moves and how it moves throughout my entire golf swing. I can also draw it on my hands, and now I'm able to actually see exactly how that club is moving throughout my whole golf swing, which is very important. Some of the other cool things we're able to do is actually measure how much something is moving. So if I again go back and I want to see how much my lead knee is moving on a degrees percentage in my golf swing, I'm able to do that by just simply clicking on that dot. And now I can see at any given point what the angle of degrees is of any point in my golf swing, which is really cool technology and really helpful when we compare our students against PGA Tour players. Now that you've seen what the Swing Catalyst can do, if you think it may help you and your golf game, please give one of our PGA of Canada professionals a call to set up your lesson.